Hello and welcome to Infonomical. I'm your host Vinita Joshi. Today we have breaking news that could reshape the way America operates. US President Donald Trump has named two powerhouse figures to spearhead an ambitious initiative. One that he claims will streamline the government, slash regulations, and completely overhaul federal agencies. And who are these two leaders? None other than Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk and former Republican president candidate Vivek Ramaswamy. Let's dive in and explore how this Department of Government Efficiency or DOGE is set to change the landscape of American governance. Just today, President Trump revealed that Musk and Ramaswamy will co-lead this brand new department, which Trump is calling the Department of Government Efficiency. Now, this isn't just any department. According to Trump, DOGE will entirely outside the traditional government framework, allowing it to cut through and the red tape that he claims has been holding the country back. DOGE's goal to dismantle bureaucracy, reduce wasteful spending, and overhaul the way federal agencies operate. In short, DOGE is designed to be a government fix-it squad, with Musk and Ramaswamy at the helm. Now you might wonder why Trump picked these two. Well, Elon Musk is not only one of the world's richest people, but also a disruptive force in technology, known for pushing boundaries in fields like space exploration, electric vehicles, and artificial intelligence. Musk's influence and resources could lend Dodge unprecedented power and reach. Plus, Musk has been a vocal supporter of Trump's campaign, donating millions to ensure his victory. As for Vivek Ramaswamy, he is a former biotech entrepreneur, known for his book Woke Inclusive, where he criticized corporate activism. Ramaswamy's alignment with Trump's pro business, anti regulation stance makes him a natural fit for this role. Together, these two aim to bring a blend of entrepreneurial thinking and conservative values to reshape government. President-elect Trump outlined some major objectives for Dodge. First, the new department will operate with a mandate to dismantle unnecessary regulations and cut wasteful spending. Trump even described Dawes' mission as a similar to the Manhattan Project. Only this time, instead of developing atomic bombs, it's all about destroying bureaucracy. Trump's vision for Dodge is bold. The department will work closely with the White House and the Office of Management and Budget, aiming to create what he calls an entrepreneurial approach to government, one he believes America has never seen before. This work is expected to be completed by July 4, 2026, a symbolic date making the 250th anniversary of the Declaration of Independence. Musk has promised complete transparency with Dodge. He announced on his social media platform X that every action taken by Department of Government Efficiency will be posted online. He even plans to include a public leaderboard to showcase the most insanely dumb examples of government spending. Musk claims this approach will not only save taxpayer dollars but also provide some much needed humor, describing it as a tragic but entertaining. At a recent Trump rally, Musk estimated that Dodge could save the federal budget at least $2 trillion, a staggering figure that's get both supporters and critics talking. With defense spending making up a huge chunk of discretionary funds, the potential savings could be significant. Now let's talk about how this new position might impact Musk's business empire. Analysts predict that Musk's role with Dodge could open doors for his companies, including Tesla, SpaceX, and even his ventures in artificial intelligence. Daniel Eves, an analyst with Wedbush Securities, referred to Musk's appointment as a poker move for the ages, saying the potential benefits for Musk far outweigh any risk. Tesla, for instance, could see favorable regulatory treatment under a Trump administration, which has already shown a preference for deregulation and industry friendly policies. Meanwhile, Musk's promotion of the cryptocurrency Dogecoin, represented by DOS acronym, has led to a surge in Dogecoin's value. Musk's continued influence in government could indeed be a boost for his favored industries, especially in AI and crypto. Of course, not everyone is thrilled with Musk's appointment. Public Citizen, a progressive watchdog group, voiced concerns over what it calls corporate corruption. Lisa Gilbert, co-president of Public Citizen, argued that Musk's track record doesn't exactly align with government efficiency. She pointed out that Musk companies have often faced scrutiny over regulatory issues and his business could stand to benefit directly from his influence over government policies. Additionally, critics worry about the ethical implications of handing this kind of authority to one of the world's richest men, particularly someone with a clear financial interest in deregulation. The Musk Ramaswamy duo and the Senate race as Dodge takes shape, and it also marks a turning point for Ramaswamy. With his new appointment, he is withdrawing from consideration on Ohio Senate seat. Governor Mike DeWine was set to appoint a replacement for J.D. Vance, who will become Trump's vice president. But Ramaswamy has officially stepped back from the race, leaving the field open for another candidate. So, what's next for Dodge and for Musk and Ramaswamy's mission to overhaul the government? The team is set to work at a rapid pace to meet their July 4, 2026 deadline. And it's safe to say the world will be watching closely. Trump, Musk, and Ramaswamy are betting big on this project, promising that it will lead to a government that leaner, more efficient, and more business like than ever before. Only time will tell if Dodge will succeed in its ambitious goal or if the project will spark further controversy. One thing is for sure, this Department of Government Efficiency is a bold, unprecedented move in the realm of American politics. Thanks for tuning into Infonomical. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out the latest in global and political news. Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think Elon Musk's role in government will be beneficial or you are concerned about corporate influence in public policy? We'll see you next time.